So we flew into Tokyo bright and early this morning. We arrived at about 5 o'clock this morning. We went and had some breakfast, got some groceries, and it just happens that today is my birthday. Eek! So I told Paul that what I wanted for my birthday was a traveller's notebook. It's like a journaling system that you can do art and planning in and whatever you like. So apparently if you're in Tokyo and you want a traveller's notebook, there's only one place to go.
There's a place that I call home, where the oak trees grow, where the moonlight glows. But I wish that I was somewhere else, where the sound of city lights keeps me company at night. She's got a sweet personality, smiling from inside the window screen, and she's opening the door to me. Just a stranger, but I'll take it. I'm alone and feeling shameless. Maybe we can go where no work gets slow. We can take a ride to the other side of town. Life gets so complicated. The pictures that you take keep our memory in place. And I wish that I'd settle for all this, but sometimes I need a fix to take its place. Let's get away. When the cold cuts through our bones, we can drive past all the snow. South Memphis we'll go, where we can shed these clothes and breathe again.
I can't believe I finally made it. This is so exciting. The shop is called The Traveller's Factory, and it's a place that is owned by Midori, which is a Japanese company that is really well known for their high quality paper goods like papers and notepads. So you buy the empty cover and then you put in the inserts, and there are a whole lot of different inserts that you can choose. And this means that you can turn it into a journal or an art journal or a traveller's notebook or a memory keeper or a planner or a day-to-day diary or just about anything that you can think of. So as well as selling the cover and the inserts for your notebook, this beautiful shop also sell a whole range of different vintage style accessories that you can choose to customise your notebook and make it your own and put your own styling on it. Most of the accessories in this shop have a vintage travel theme to them. So they have really lovely travel quotes and cute planes and trains and lots of that lovely vintage travel styling to them. It is a beautiful shop full of old-fashioned accessories. There are wrought iron and rustic timber shelving and old-fashioned vintage accessories everywhere. It's just gorgeous. So this is the stamping bar. It is a whole table full of stamps that you are free to use to decorate any of the inserts that you have bought in the shop. So I've opened up my inserts and I'm just going to stand here for a while and play with all of these stamps and decorate some of my inserts that I've bought. After I finish playing here, I am going to head back, find Paul and the girls back at our Airbnb, and later tonight I'll find some time to set up my traveller's notebook. So in my next video I will show you all of the things I bought and how I'm going to set up my notebook. Thank you for coming shopping with me. It was so much fun, and I will see you next time. Bye.